How to view email password in Outlook. If you want to view your email password in Outlook, then open the Outlook on your device. Now, if you look into the settings, you will not find any option to view your password. That is because Microsoft Outlook doesn't allow you to view your current password for security reasons. However, you can change your password. To change your password, click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Now select My Microsoft Account from the drop-down menu to go to your account settings. On the Microsoft account page, find and select Change Password. Now enter your current password, then choose a new strong password. You will have to enter it one more time to confirm, then submit the new password to complete the change. Now you know that you cannot view the email password in Outlook. However, you can change your password. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.